guys, so I got another package from Banggood. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and oh my, okay, so I got the aquatic creatures. Oh, this is the Eric dinosaur. Whoa! Oh my, that is so metallic and rainbow. Oh my gosh, it's rainbow. Oh, it's like a pastel rainbow, and it says aquatic creatures. Aquatic creatures. And wow, Banggood actually put their barcode on the back, so now I can actually just use the packaging without removing off the barcode. Yeah. Thank you, Banggood, for doing this, of course. And then on Instagram, you can follow Eric. So yeah, and here is the squishy. So it says aquatic creatures right here, and it has like little dolphins on the side right here, and it says Eric right there, because it's an Eric squishy. And I'm just gonna give you a little squishy. And I can actually kind of smell it from the packaging, so oh my gosh, I'm going to open it up. I hope, yep, packaging's resealable. All of the Eric squishies I got so far, like the package is resealable. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, where's your juice box? Bring it to Daddy. They want a drink.
Woohoo! I've been waiting for this for so long. Oh my gosh. Like, I thought that I got scammed for like all of my squishy packages from Banggood, but they came eventually after like a few months. So yeah. Oh my, that is soft. Well, it smells like bread. Oh my gosh.
Here.
Oh my gosh, that is so slow rising. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it's like this dinosaur unicorn, and it has hearts on it. It's super metallic. Whoa. Oh, it's so shiny. Oh my gosh, guys, it's like so shiny. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. And it's like so metallic. This has been my dream squishy for a long time, and I only got this for $7 off Banggood because the one that came with the egg was like $12, and I only had like $7 left, so I decided to, with my like allowance, so I decided to get this squishy. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It's so beautiful. It's so metallic. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I love the packaging. It's super duper cute. So yeah, I recommend you should buy this because honestly though, Banggood has like the best prices for their squishies. Like seriously, they have the best stuff. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay, hold on. We
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, that's my squishy. Goodbye.